Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Power off and unplug the PSU, then ground yourself to avoid static damage. Once done, open the case and identify the USB-C header on the motherboard, front panel or rear I/O, using the motherboard manual if needed. Make sure you confirm the connector type and pin count because USB-C headers vary. This prevents forcing the wrong plug. You'll also check the header's orientation and notch so that when you proceed, the connector will seat clean. Now you move to the middle steps where alignment matters. You first visually inspect the header pins and connector for debris or bent pins. Cleaning with compressed air is fine. Then align the connector notch to the motherboard key and approach straight on Do Not Twist. Apply firm, even pressure so the latch or retention clip engages. You'll hear or feel a small click. If the cable feels stuck, stop and recheck alignment rather than forcing it, because misalignment will bend pins. Finish by reconnecting power and booting into the OS to test the USB-C port. You can also check BIOS or Device Manager for recognition. If the port doesn't work, make sure the connector is fully seated and oriented correctly, then verify that the cable matches the header type and that any case or adapter is compatible. One key troubleshooting tip: power down, unplug, then reseat the connector. Often a quick reseat fixes contact issues. If pins are bent, stop and repair before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.